Hello all, in this video I show you how to place additional input and output modules, safe modules on a CPU S7 1500 rack from Siemens using TIA Portal V20. So for the extension modules I will be using two digital safe IOs, two digital safe input and two digital safe output modules. So for this I only go ahead and just copy the number here and paste it in the hardware catalog, which is shown right here on the left side, on the right side of the screen in the TIA portal. So if I put that in and paste it, I will find the module and I will just take this and drag it over. Just drag and drop. And again. So that's it for here. And then the same with the output module. I also just copy the name, respectively the catalog number, paste it in the search window, push enter, and I will be able to find the output module, which I also just drag and drop in my project device view. Alright, so next will be to give those modules a name again. We will do the same like with the CPU. We will call it equal 28 plus S1 for the higher level and the lower level of the hardware print, and we will call it KF2 and 3. I will change the names here because this is not according to the new IEC standard, and this was just a basic setting that came up in ePlan. So I will select the module, go to properties, whoops, and general, and here is the name that I can change. So I change it to equal 28 plus S1 minus KF2. Copy that, go over to the next module, do the same thing, copy paste KF3, the next module, copy paste KF4, and the next module, copy paste. So it's 2, 3, 4, 5, KF5. So this was giving it a name, and then also the next step will be to give those modules a I/O address, and this is also shown in my print where I actually start with the input 400, the input byte 400, and the input byte 401 will need to be changed because of there is an automatic setting that those safeguards use more than one word, which we will see here. So if I just put in the input 400, it will automatically use 8 words in order to get the safety setting to work. Alright, so the next will be then, I'm gonna name that the 410, and the outputs will be there is a wrong name in there. There must be the KF4. Alright, there we go. So we corrected that. So that will be the 430. And the other output will be the 440. All right, so I guess this is it. There are some parameters that we need to set, but this will be done in another video. I will first go with the hardware configuration by itself and download it and see if everything works, and then we'll continue with other things. All right, thank you very much for watching on how to place new safety modules on a CPU S7 1500 in the TIA Portal V20. Thank you for watching.